يا أيها الناس
O mankind,
اعبدوا
worship
ربكم
your Lord,
الذي
the one who
خلقكم
created you,
والذين
and those who
من قبلكم
before you,
لعلكم
so that you may
تتقون
become righteous.
الذي
The one who
جعل
made
لكم
for you
الأرض
the earth
فراشا
a resting place,
والسماء
and the sky
بناء
a canopy,
وأنزل
and sent down
من
from
السماء
the sky
ماء
water,
فأخرج
then brought forth
به
therewith
من
of
الثمرات
the fruits
رزقا
as provision
لكم
for you.
فلا
So do not
تجعلوا
set up
لله
to Allah
أندادا
rivals,
وأنتم
while
تعلمون
you know.
وإن
And if
كنتم
you are
في
in
ريب
doubt
مما
about what
نزلنا
we have revealed
على
to
عبدنا
our slave,
فأتوا
then produce
بسورة
a chapter
من
of
مثله
like it,
وادعوا
and call
شهداءكم
your witnesses
من دون
other than
الله
Allah,
إن
if
كنتم
you are
صادقين
truthful.
فإن
But if
لم
not,
تفعلوا
you do,
ولن
and never
تفعلوا
will you do,
فاتقوا
then fear
النار
the fire
التي
whose
وقودها
fuel
الناس
is the men
والحجارة
and the stones
أعدت
prepared
للكافرين
for the disbelievers,
وبشر
and give good news
الذين
to those who
آمنوا
believe
وعملوا
and do
الصالحات
the righteous deeds,
أن
that
لهم
for them
جنات
will be gardens
تجري
flow
من
from
تحتها
under them
الأنهار
the rivers,
كلما
every time
رزقوا
they are provided
منها
therefrom
من
of
ثمرة
fruits
رزقا
as provision,
قالوا
they will say,
هذا
this is
الذي
the one which
رزقنا
we were provided
من قبل
before,
وأتوا به
and they will be given
متشابها
things in resemblance,
ولهم
and for them
فيها
therein,
أزواج
spouses,
مطهرة
purified,
وهم
and they,
فيها
therein,
خالدون
will abide forever.
إن الله
Indeed, Allah
لا يستحي
is not ashamed
أن يضرب
to set forth
مثلا
an example
ما
like even
بعوضة
of a mosquito,
فما
and even something
فوقها
above it.
فأما
Then as for
الذين
those who
آمنوا
believed,
فيعلمون
thus they will know
أنه
that it
الحق
is the truth
من
from
ربهم
their Lord.
وأما
And as for
الذين
those who
كفروا
disbelieve,
فيقولون
thus they will say,
ماذا
what
أراد الله
did Allah intend
بهذا
by this
مثلا
example?
يضل
He lets go astray
به
by it
كثيرا
many,
ويهدي
and He guides
به
by it
كثيرا
many,
وما
and not
يضل
He lets go astray
به
by it
إلا
except
الفاسقين
the defiantly disobedient,
الذين
those who
ينقضون
break
عهد الله
the covenant of Allah
من بعد
after
ميثاقه
its ratification,
ويقطعون
and they cut
ما
what
أمر الله
Allah has ordered
به
it
أن يوصل
to be joined,
ويفسدون
and they spread corruption
في الأرض
in the earth.
أولئك
Those,
هم
they
الخاسرون
are the losers.
كيف
How
تكفرون
can you disbelieve
بالله
in Allah
وكنتم
while you were
أمواتا
dead?
فأحياكم
Then He gave you life.
ثم
Then
يميتكم
He will cause you to die.
ثم
Then
يحييكم
He will give you life.
ثم
Then
إليه
to Him
ترجعون
you will be returned.
هو
He
الذي
is the one who
خلق
created
لكم
for you
ما
what
في الأرض
is in the earth,
جميعا
all.
ثم
Moreover,
استوى
He turned
إلى
to
السماء
the heaven
فسواهن
and fashioned them.
7
7
سماوات
heavens,
وهو
and He
بكل
of every
شيء
thing,
عليم.
is all-knowing.
وإذ
And when
قال
said
ربك
your Lord
للملائكة
to the angels,
إني
indeed I am
جاعل
going to place
في
in
الأرض
the earth
خليفة.
a vicegerent.
قالوا
They said,
أتجعل
will you place
فيها
in it
من
one who
يفسد
will spread corruption
فيها
in it
ويسفك
and will shed
الدماء
the blood
ونحن
while
نسبح
we glorify you
بحمدك
with your praises
ونقدس
and we sanctify
لك.
to you.
قال
He said,
إني
indeed I
أعلم
know
ما
what
لا تعلمون.
you do not know.